had like extremely high percentiles, and like I surely think they are brilliant. And most of you should always target that, because I guess when you target something higher, then you fall. Even if you fall on something that's worth describing. So the thing about me was I had cleared IIT JEE. I was in DTU. I worked for Samsung Research. I had an excellent profile. I gave CAT because I just wanted to change away from my coding culture. And the first attempt I had for CAT, the main thing is I was like 96.2 gets you call from new IIMs and all. So I'll be mostly, I guess I'll talk about students who know that they can't get 99.8 or 100 something. Matlab, always there are people who actually from the inside you know that you can't reach there. I'll be talking what they face, because CAT is not just like IIT, just here, just as I told. It's not like IIT, it's easy. It's somewhat depends on your IQ, and a lot of it depends on your, I would say, hard work. So I knew that I somehow can't get 100 or let's just say even 99.5. So I set my target to at least 99. I'd reach there, I'd be really happy. I knew that. So when I studied, my basic target was, the thing is when you are at 80s, I have met people who had risen from 81 to 99.5. So the thing is when you are at already at 96.5, it's how do you push it to 98.5? So the main thing is get onto your issues, find out what you are bad at, because I think when I don't know how many of you are giving it again. There are people who might be having good scores in some parts of the CAT paper, not in every part, and that will happen to many of you. You might crack a lot, crack a few of them as 99 plus, and you won't make it in the third one. So I would rather specifically say that the ones that you are think you're good at, you can obviously keep them going, but consider what you are bad at. So since my job was going, I joined iQuanta, and I found that my LRDI was comparatively weak. I had like 90 in it. Since I had to go from 96 to 98, so I had to focus on LRDI. And for LRDI, I think my faculty in iQuanta was good. I was not very sure about English, which I saw this time is quite brilliant. It wasn't last time. This time it's quite brilliant. When I tried with LIDI, my faculty was really good. And what he did was he asked that specifically all the questions that you do in iQuanta, I have seen the classes that classes that on Facebook that happen. Those questions, I would say, do them, and that is quite enough to push you on a scale above 95 in CAT in LRDI. And if you find your weakness, if it is maths, if it is English, if it is LRDI, focus on that particularly, and do all the things as much as you can. If you are not currently in some job, you have exceptional large amount of time that you can consider on improving your lower parts. And the main thing is I am not a very hardworking guy, so it was difficult for me to focus for long hours. So what I decided is that it is better to be consistent rather than be sitting there for long hours. So every time I made sure that I did the class from 10 to 12, which was like excellent for me with job and all. And to motivate many people, I just saw, I had a call, I'd like to say I had a call from IIM Indore, but I chose SP Jain over it. And IIM Indore and MDI. So whilst I was giving the interviews for these colleges, I met a lot of people. I won't say they were flukes because they were exceptional and I found just one or two of them. I'll say I met a lot of people who had scored 89, 85, something like that. And there were many more like who were giving CAT for the first time and they scored 99.8. And those guys were like, I was in Samsung, I had a very great job with an excellent package and stuff. So those guys were not on a very great job and they were like in Infosys or something working on a 3 or 4 lakh package. There was a push for them to go for money, whatever is the reason for you for it. But I'd say there should be a push, whatever is the reason. You don't have to mind if it's money, having money, targeting money isn't a bad thing. So they did it, and probably they were not actually very good engineers and stuff, but they were able to score 99.8, not just because they were flukes, because of hard work, I guess. And it was their motive, their decision that we have to make it. I think if money is your target, I'd say go for it, but get it done, and the hard work and consistency will definitely help you. So yeah, that's it, I guess. And yeah, after that SP experience, if somebody is targeting SP, which I don't know, people do at the start. Even I had the target for ABC and stuff. If you have SP as your target, just let me know, because this guy was here asking if you're not able to CAT IIM in the first attempt. I'd rather say when you get into an MBA college, you realize that IIMs is just a name for, let me say it in Hindi, रिश्तेदारों के लिए IIM. तुम्हें अगर चाहिए तो it's you, what matters at the end. You after 3 years तुम IIM से पढ़ के किसी फालतू सी कंपनी में गए, उससे अच्छा है ना कि तुम किसी ऐसे कॉलेज से पढ़ो जो आपको कहीं पे गारंटी करे कि आप जाओगे यार, अच्छी जगह जाओगे, इवन इफ यू आर एन एवरेज स्टूडेंट. ऐसा लेके चलोगे ना, बिकॉज इफ यू आर रीचिंग IIMs, SP, JN, FT, यू नो द पीपल देयर वुड डेफिनेटली बी बेटर. तो सिर्फ IIM is not shouldn't be a target. I have to focus on that. And now this year I got admitted in SPJN, and it's been a month now, and already 3 people are placed. And that is because you have to understand, IIM name is for actually your relatives. Other colleges, when you target them, you have to see what is the industry value those colleges have. SP is in 1981. IIM, so I'd just say it was open in 1981, and it has an excellent alumni culture and alumni network and stuff. And industry holds a very great value of SP. So when I go there, I see a lot of competitions happening, competitions from Invictus, it's a Tata Administrative Services, Google. So what the thing is, you'll see these great companies have a shortlisting criteria, and IIM Indore, Kozhikode, stuff like IIFT, it was shocking for me, IIFT, MDI, these colleges aren't even allowed to participate. So there is a lot of, and only it was like top 4 IIMs, ABCL, SPJN, FMS, and you would be shocked, IMT Ghaziabad was there. Because probably they wanted some, and TIS was there. So you have to also focus on where those colleges at the end take you up. I have been having friends from IIT Madras and stuff that didn't get even placed. So the thing is, consider the industry value. At the end, what matters is where you reach, not the path you took. IIM is not really the final thing that always, if you didn't get an IIM, it's okay. There are a lot of better colleges than them, unless and until you are like always thinking about, like I'd say, placate down like your rishtedar if they're happy with what you are doing. Because let me frankly tell you, nobody gets happy when you achieve something, apart from your parents. So don't try to help them, just help yourself. Yeah, that's it. So if anyone wanted to know especially something about SPJN and how to target it, you could like contact me personally. I'll give you my number later on. Thank you.